Hello and welcome to the morning podcast with Asavari. Here we share all the important details that you need to know before taking a trade. So let's take a quick glance at global market. US stocks closed higher on Wednesday, adding to the gains after Federal Reserve repeated to pledge to use its full range of tools to support the economy, but cautioned that the outlook will depend significantly on the course of virus. Asian stocks were set to track an upbeat Wall Street session on Thursday after Federal Reserve kept interest rates at ultra-low levels, while the US dollar fell to 2-year low. Trends on SGX Nifty indicate flat opening for broader index in India with a gain of 8 points. Nifty futures were trading at 11,233 level on Singaporean exchange. On institutional front, FIIs and DIIs sold shares worth rupees 352 crore and 505 crore respectively in Indian equity market on July 29th. Lastly, let's take a look at few stock specifics. On NSE exchange, Vodafone Idea is under FNO ban for July 30. In Bharti Airtel, the company's net loss in quarter 1 financial year 21 widens to rupees 15,933 crore from rupees 5,237 crore in previous quarter. Revenue rose 0.9% to rupees 23.939 crore from rupees 23,722 crore quarter on quarter. The ARPU increased 2% quarter on quarter to rupees 157, and the company has made a provision of rupees 10,744 crore for AGR dues. In TVS Motor, the company reported a net loss of rupees 139 crore in quarter 1 of financial year 21 versus the profit of rupees 142 crore in the previous quarter year on year. Revenue plunged 67.96% to rupees 1,431 crore from rupees 4,468 crore year on year. In Tech Mahindra, the company has announced a partnership with Hinduja Group's SecureX to jointly offer a cyber security solutions. Under the partnership, Tech Mahindra will provide consulting, planning, designing, integration and automation of services, and SecureX will prioritize the capabilities in cybersecurity domain. And lastly, the results that we are expecting today are Reliance Industries, HDFC, Dabur India, Ajanta Pharma, Lakshmi Vilas Bank, Mahindra Logistics, Max Financial Services, Piramal Enterprises, GMR Infrastructure, Jain Irrigation Systems, JM Financials, National Fertilizers, Reliance Infrastructure, Reliance Power, SRF, Tata Communications, Torrent Pharma, etc., among others. Thank you. That's all from my side. I hope you have a safe trading and stay safe during this COVID-19 period. Thank you.